Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for today. So when we look at the events plan for today, today is Thursday, March 30. We have a high impact news for euro related currency pairs all day today, and medium impact news at 12:30 p.m. today, and at 6 p.m. we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs, followed by a medium impact news, and at 9:30 p.m. we have medium impact news planned for Swiss franc related currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and I had already mentioned that previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend, trading within this bullish channel pattern. It had also given a breakout from this bullish channel pattern, forming a double bottom pattern. Then we have noticed a price action to bounce back to retest on this bullish channel pattern, trend line or the support line, which is now acting as a resistance line. And presently we are noticing the price action to be trading on a sideways momentum. We can clearly notice that the price action has lost its bullishness, and currently it is on a bearish side retracement, but still it has not broken the previous low, which is around 1940. And on the bullish side also it didn't manage to break the previous high of 2010, which means that both the bullishness and the bearishness are in equal strength. And here we can notice that the price action is forming a symmetric triangle pattern, which means that once the price action gives a directional breakout from this consolidation or from the symmetric triangle pattern, we can expect a directional momentum to start from this consolidation. So if the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side, the next level of support is going to be the support zone between 1936 to 1919. And once the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect the price action to form a double top pattern and to start its bearish side retracement in daily time frame. And if the price action wants to continue its bullish side retracement, it has to break this resistance zone between 2010 to 1990. Then only we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue. In which case, next level of resistance is going to be between 2050 to 2066. So for now, the price action in daily time frame is under a consolidation or in a sideways price action. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. Here in 4 hours time frame also we are noticing the price action to be consolidating between the resistance line from the daily time frame and the support line from the daily time frame. We cannot notice any sort of differences from the price action in daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame. So even if the price action gives a breakout from this consolidation, it has to give a breakout from this higher time frame support zone or the resistance zone in order to start a directional momentum. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and in the past price action we have noticed a price action to take support around the support level of 1936 or 37 and to move under bullish side retracement with a very strong bullishness. And here also it has formed a double bottom pattern or made a consolidation, but the bullishness is becoming weaker and weaker. So for the hourly time frame, I would recommend you to draw a trend line or a resistance line, and as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line from the hourly time frame, we can expect the bearish trend to continue or the consolidation to continue within this daily time frame support line and the hourly time frame resistance line. Once the price action gives a breakout on the bullish side, next level of resistance is going to be the daily time frame resistance line and the resistance zone from the daily time frame. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1965 and support level of 1956. Once the price action gives a breakout from this support level of 1956 on the bearish side, Next level of support is going to be around 1944, 1928 and 1907. And on the bullish side, if the price action gives a breakout from this resistance level of 1965, next level of resistance is going to be around 1974, 1985 and 2003. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has tested the resistance level of 1975 and we are noticing it to trend back on the bearish side. It has breached the support level of 1966 and it is trading between the support level of 1961 to 1966. Once this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1957, 1953, 1947, 1937, 1930 and 1917. And if the price action breaches its previous high of 1975, we can expect a bullish side retracement to start in 30 minutes time frame. Please refer the higher time frame resistance levels for the bullish side target. For now, the price action is consolidating between this hourly time frame resistance line and the daily time frame support line or the trend line and a sideways price action. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame and we can notice that every time the price action touches this support level of 1960, we are noticing it to bounce back from this support level on the bullish side retracement. So this level of 1960 is currently acting as a very strong support for the current price action. So wait for the price action to give a breakout from this support level of 1960 on the bearish side in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade. And next level of support is going to be around 1956, 1951 and 1944. We also have a daily time frame trend line or the support line which it has to break in order to continue with its bearish side retracement. And on the bullish side, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1963. Once this resistance level is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 1968 and 1917. For now, the price action in 15 minutes time frame is also trading on a sideways price action. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.